Hello and welcome back. Time for another unboxing video, so let's get right to it. Something from eBay, of course. Let's take a look. It is a Lima platform. Oh, this is very, very nice. Let's get this box out of the way here. Would you look at that? Cinzano advertisement up there, a couple little benches. A little out of proportion, the size of the door and the bench, I think. Oh, and it's got staircase downstairs, if you can see right there. Bar. This is Lima. Let's see, is there a part number on here? It is an older one. Look at that old logo. It says it's HO gauge, and here we go. It's item number 2071. It's got a very nice vintage box with the old L for the old Lima spelling. This item is in the 1974-75 HO scale Lima catalog. It is here on page 50, right at the top there. So that's pretty cool. Let's take a look what this looks like from a better viewpoint. That's a good angle right there, I think. So I put a couple freight cars. Let's see. Just realized this one doesn't have a coupler here. I don't know where I left that. But anyway, so we got a couple tarp covered freight cars there. And then we can see what it looks like with one of these. That looks very nice. The proportions are okay, just the door seems really, really tall, but it looks good. The benches are the right size. Let's try it with the 1200 locomotive here. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. That looks really nice. There's even a hole in the bottom here for to put a light in. There's nothing really on the inside of it to illuminate, and I'm certainly not going to take it apart to put some furnishings in there, because this has probably been glued together for let's say at least probably 50-60 years, so we're not messing with that. It's bowed up a little bit, but nothing that we can't fix when we secure it down on a layout. So that's it for this video. It's a very nice Lima 2071 station platform with waiting area. Thanks for watching, and until next time. Bye-bye.